Hey guys, so today I will show you how to add multiple API keys like Ethereum, Binance, Polygon all together in the Hardhat config file, and then we will do a verification of Solidity smart contract on custom chain that is not supported by the Hardhat. So here on the left hand side you can see I have a basic Hardhat structure which is having all the required folders of contract scripts staged, and the env file is that is basically the environment file in which I have stored the API keys and the private key. So here you can see the sample environment file. Then in the package.json you can see which node modules I have installed. So not all of them are required, like the gas reporter and test helper, and those you can ignore. So let me quickly go through the Hardhat config. So here you can see I have added the etherscan key under the module .exports, and in the API key you can provide multiple API keys by using the network name and the API key here that is coming from the environment file in my case. After that I have added a custom chain which is the Chronos test network. So in this video I will show you how to verify a smart contract on Chronos test network, and for that I have added this network here. uh, Actually this network is not being supported by the Hardhat, so I have added it here, and you will need a few things. This name is custom, you can give any name, but make sure to use the same name which you are defining in the network. This chain ID is for the Chronos test network. Then you will need the API URL. This is the base URL of Chronos test network, and after that you have Explorer URL, ideally the Chronos scan. Then you have what you have to do is you have to add your network with the same name here, Chronos test network, and you will need the RPC URL for that. And I think the other things are the normal ones: the chain ID, gas price, and the account. This account private key is coming from the environment file. Okay, now let me go to the contract first. So here I have created a sample ERC20 contract with the name of test contract. So this is pretty much simple. Then let me go through the deployments. So here is my deployment script. So I have created a one sleep function basically, and which is useful in the case of like verification. So whenever our contract is deployed, uh, I am putting some sleep about 100 seconds, because in some blockchain bytecode takes some time to reflect on the explorer, and sometimes we get error like the bytecode is not found, something like that, when we try to verify through the Hardhat. So in the main function I am doing like deploying the contract here basically, then I am logging the contract address basically, then I am sleeping for 100 seconds. I have added a verification script here where I am checking if the network is Chronos testnet. Then this is the command ideally to verify through Hardhat. Here I am passing the contract parameter, which contract I want to verify. The contract address will come from the deployed contract, and constructor arguments are basically nothing, so I have not passed anything here. If there are, you can pass here, and that's all I think. So let me show you how to run the script. Yarn Hardhat, run scripts, deploy, and then pass the network parameter, which is Chronos testnet in my case. This will take some time to deploy the code and then for the verification. So the code is deployed. We can see the address here. Now it will sleep for 100 seconds and then we will get the verification status, whether it is verified or not. Okay, so contract is successfully verified. We can see the URL here. So let's copy it and then see it on the Explorer. Okay, so I can see the code is verified. You can see it here. So that's it, I think. Thanks for watching the video and do like and subscribe.